many times we talk about these two teams as being the glue that binds together the business intelligence teams and the automation teams. If you can think about information kind of flowing down from your business and financial systems within a manufacturer down to the control layer at the equipment level, there's all this integration that has to happen in between.
We primarily deliver successful MES projects. A typical project for us starts with a very solid upfront functional specification and design. What makes a successful project is doing quite a bit of simulation and testing to the final product before delivery.
Dispatching orders down to equipment, to performing track and traceability on products that are going down production lines, to developing full-blown material handling solutions. For the systems engineers, we typically look for folks who have a degree in an engineering discipline or an engineering technology discipline. Typically that comes either in the form of computer engineering or electrical engineering.
I don't really want to exclude anybody because of their degree. Definitely an engineering degree is a plus, or some sort of a computer science degree is a plus, but you just never know what gems you might have out there. Ultimately, we're looking for somebody who kind of has the grit and the willingness to learn and get in there in the trenches with us and pick up kind of our methodologies and ultimately kind of learn from our experiences in order to deliver the successful projects.
You have to be willing to adapt and learn new things, but also somebody who's willing to go deep with our customers and really learn their business and be able to become an expert within their manufacturing domain. Somebody that has a lot of experience in a lot of different technologies and also experience within manufacturing would be a plus for us. So we encourage a strong work-life balance here at Flexware, and what you see is most people tend to kind of gravitate into one of 2 or 3 different areas outside of work. We have a lot of campers and hikers and bikers and people who are into Taekwondo and other disciplines and just kind of keeping themselves physically healthy and active.
My hobbies are my kids and kind of doing what they do, and over the last several years, they're both teenagers, is sports.
And we have a lot of people who are doing hobby projects outside of work as well, really taking the things that they're learning at Flexware and apply them to their own life in a fun way.
I like to hunt deer, duck, and pheasant are probably the 3 biggest for me.